Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Counter-Strike 2. First, you'll need to download the game, which is available for free on Steam. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, such as a 4GB graphics card and 8GB of RAM, to ensure a smooth experience. After installation, complete the in-game tutorial to grasp fundamental movement and shooting. Then, customize your mouse sensitivity and keybinds to suit your personal playstyle. Counter-Strike 2 offers several engaging game modes. Start with Deathmatch to warm up and refine your aiming skills against other players. Casual mode provides a more relaxed environment to learn map layouts and objective play with 10 versus 10 teams. For a serious challenge, competitive mode features intense 5 versus 5 ranked matches, where strategy and teamwork are paramount. Don't forget to check out community servers for a wide variety of custom experiences. To excel in Counter-Strike 2, mastering core mechanics is crucial. Always aim for head level to maximize damage and secure quick eliminations. Practice spray control for various weapons, as each has a unique recoil pattern. Understanding the in-game economy is vital. Knowing when to save or buy full equipment can significantly impact rounds. Finally, clear and concise communication with your teammates is key to coordinating strategies and winning matches. To truly advance your Counter-Strike 2 gameplay, delve into more sophisticated strategies. Learn essential map callouts and common angles to gain a tactical advantage over opponents. Observing professional players can provide invaluable insights into advanced movement, utility usage, and decision-making. Regularly review your own demos to pinpoint areas for improvement. Consider joining a dedicated team or community for consistent practice and structured learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.